Yeah, so for my brand new or newish secondhand off eBay quick release straps, you got these buckles here, and you pull up and it unclips, and it has this inside clip that perfectly fits in this slot here, and you clip this down and it snaps into place. You hear an audible snap into place, and you clip this down and it secures it so it doesn't unlock on itself. So because it was, I guess, too tight from the manufacturer, the clearance was too perfect. I used this file right here, just like the guy said on YouTube, on his other YouTube channel. I'll link it down below in the description box. But I filed down the very tip of it and filed down the back of it some, and filed down this front beveled edge off the front, not the back end, the front, which is the part that goes inside. And now it can clip into place. Still with two hands. Let me see. Let me try one hand. Yeah. Two hands. Still two hands. And you hear it snap. And you buckle this down. And it's good. So just go little by little with the filing like he suggested. And keep trying it. Until it fits. Only the front, a little bit of the back where it has the notches and the indentation area, just a little bit, and the front and the top beveled edge. So top beveled edge, the front, and little bit of the back with the filer. Back, front, and the beveled edge. And then once it's good, it should go in. You can buckle it in with a snap, and let me try one hand. Right there, one hand. Okay. So in, clip the clamp, the button, and one hand. Right there. Good to go. Let's see if the other one will do one hand as well. Okay, in, clip the buckle, the clamp, one hand. Yep, one hand. Right there. So it should be totally flat. You're good to go. Hope this helped. Like, comment, and subscribe. Rock on.